What's RedBubble website? RedBubble is a website that allows independent artists and designers to sell their creations on various products, such as clothing, accessories, home decor, and more. You can use RedBubble to buy unique and original items that suit your taste and style, or to sell your own artwork and earn money. To use RedBubble, you can visit their website at redbubble.com. There, you can browse through different categories and collections of products, such as t-shirts, stickers, mugs, posters, etc. You can also search for specific keywords, themes, or artists that interest you. You can click on any product to see more details, such as the price, size, color, and reviews. You can also add the product to your cart or wish list, or share it with others. If you want to sell your artwork on RedBubble, you need to create an account and upload your designs. You can choose which products you want to sell your designs on, and set your own prices and profit margins. You can also create your own profile and portfolio to showcase your work and attract customers. RedBubble will handle the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. You will receive a payment every month for your sales.